Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. Going to give everybody a nice good old tip. If you own a Nissan 2015 to I think 2018, I'm going to show you a trick how to change your light bulbs. If you look at your headlights on this Nissan, you can see it's sitting right here. But you got to take all this crap off, not. Then you got it on this side, take off crap, not. Drop the bumper, that is what you're supposed to do, but I'm going to show you a nice little trick that will save you. You should be able to do this in less than 15 minutes, even if you have no mechanical skills. All you have to do, can you see what you're doing? All you have to do is take your hand, pop it like this, take the liner off, push it back. You can see, I'm gonna put the light in there. You can see the headlight has a green tab on it. All I'm going to do is go inside with a little light, which is right up here. I'm going to reach in and I'm going to turn. And here is the headlight. I'm ready to go put on some gloves. You cannot touch these headlight bulbs because I'm doing it now because I'm about to go change this, but your oils on your skin will destroy it. But that's how you do it. And then all you do is turn this over, push this tab in, slide the bulb off, slide it back in, go up, and you can see the hole that's right there. Let me get you some light, and you can see where the headlight used to be at. You can see where the headlight's supposed to be at. Right there, you can see the light shining right out of it. And I'm gonna just reverse everything. You turn your tire, pull the fender back, reach in, turn with your hand, and pull straight out like that. Put some gloves on, which I'm about to go do. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. I'm here to save you guys money. I do what I do for the last 30 years in the military and civilian sector. And hit that like button so the algorithms can help other people. Instead of dropping bumpers and doing all this stuff and costing you a lot of money, I'm here to help you. Thank you.